Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car so nothing moves. Jack and stand it at the proper points, then remove the wheel to expose the sway bar link. Once you see the link, spray penetrating oil on the nuts and let it soak for several minutes to reduce resistance. Next, hold the sway bar link with a wrench to prevent rotation while you choose the correct socket. This prevents rounding and makes the next steps predictable and safe. You now break the nut free while stabilizing the stud. Use two tools so torque goes where you want it. If the stud spins, insert an Allen or hex key into the center to immobilize it, or tap with an impact driver if available. This stops backspin without damaging the shaft. Once the lower and upper nuts are free, wiggle the link out of the control arm or sway bar. Make sure to note bushing orientation so you can reinstall correctly. You pull the link free and inspect components. If bushings are cracked or the ball joint is loose, replace the entire link assembly for reliability. When reinstalling, reverse the steps and torque fasteners to the vehicle specification. This ensures proper sway bar function and safety. If a bolt refuses to budge, apply more penetrating oil, heat the surrounding area cautiously, or cut the bolt only as a last resort. Doing so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.